Hello foodies! It's Mihaela from blondelish.com and today I'm gonna show you how to make keto chicken Florentine. This dish is ready in less than 30 minutes and it makes a delicious weeknight dinner or a fancy weekend meal if paired with the right wine. Everybody loves chicken for its versatility, so we need more of these quick and tasty recipes to include it. So, let's get cooking, foodies! Season the chicken with salt and pepper on both sides. Heat the oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the chicken and cook until golden brown on both sides and cook through about 5 to 7 minutes per side. Once the chicken is cooked through, set aside on a clean plate and cover to keep warm. To the same preheated skillet, melt the butter, then add the garlic. Sauté just until fragrant, no more than 1 minute. Add in the broth, basil and chili flakes. Stir and scrape the bottom of the pan to loosen the brown bits stuck there. Boil for a couple of minutes until the liquid is mostly absorbed. Add the cream and whisk well to emulsify. Allow the sauce to simmer for a few minutes to thicken up. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper and stir in the fresh spinach. Return the chicken to the pan and allow it to cook for a few more minutes until hot and bubbly. Turn off the heat and generously sprinkle with grated Parmesan cheese. My favorite part, the taste bite, but not before adding some more sauce to it. Comforting, creamy, and so delicious. A chicken recipe that's worth every bite. I can already tell it will be on your favorite. That was it for today, foodies. Thank you for watching. For the full recipe, plus super useful tips and tricks, just click the link below or go search it on blondelish.com. If you're looking for more chicken and cheese recipes, then you've got to try my cookbook, I Heart Cheese. You'll find really good ones featuring some of the most popular types of cheese. I'll link it down here for you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to be a part of my amazing community of foodies. Last but not least, let me know how you liked this recipe in the comments below. See you next time!